Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to keep a player in your ESPN football app league using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the ESPN app on a phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on My Team. Now, once you are on your roster, to keep a player for the next season, you need to look for the keepers option. Sometimes it's at the top of your team page, or you might need to tap the league menu and then choose keepers. Once you are in keepers section, you will see a list of all the players on your roster who are eligible. Simply tap the player you want to keep. A check mark or highlight will show that they are selected. You can usually pick more than one depending on your league's rule. After you have chosen your keeper or keepers, make sure to save your picks. Look for a save button or a confirmation button. If you don't hit save, the system won't log them in. And that's it. You have officially kept your players in ESPN Fantasy Football on your phone. Just remember, rules can be different, so double check your commissioner if you are not sure how many players you can keep. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.